Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Pastor Bennie, and you are tuned in to the Do-It-Yourself Credit Suites with me, Pastor Bennie. And the tip in this video is about hard inquiries. All right, hard inquiries. All right, so you get hard inquiries when a financial lender runs your credit report. Not when you run your credit report, but when a financial lender runs your credit report. All right. So if you're signed up with Credit Karma, if you're signed up with Credit Sesame, if you're signed up with Wallet Hub, and all these different credit monitoring companies, apps, and websites. That does not affect your credit, right? They do what is called soft inquiries. They do soft inquiries. They don't do hard inquiries. But if you ever go to a car dealership and allow them to pull your credit, for instance, listen, man, they're gonna run your credit with the first local company all the way to Timbuktu, all right? And they're running their credit to see which of these companies are going to allow them to make as much money as possible as they can off of you. All right, don't fall for the smiles. All right, don't fall for the hey, I just really want to get you into the car of your dreams, because they're just looking for the lender who's going to allow them to get the most money out of you. I had an experience before I knew about this stuff, where I went into a car dealership to go and buy a car, and instead of me going to my bank, I allowed them to run my credit. And after it was all said and done, they ran it with 25 different companies. All right. I looked at my credit report. I was like, wow, where in the world did this come from? And that came from me authorizing the car dealership to go ahead and pull my credit. And again, this is before I had the knowledge. So I'm thinking that they themselves are looking to see if my credit score would allow them, or if my credit report will set them at ease with coming into a financial agreement with me. But unbeknownst to me, they ran it with 25 different companies. And so you want to watch out for that, especially when you're going to go buy a car. Like, go to your bank. And see if you can get a loan with them. Go to a credit union, go to a family member, see if you can get a loan. Don't allow these car dealerships to run your credit, because like I said, they're running your credit from here to Timbuktu, and those hard inquiries, they affect your credit. I mean, depending upon your credit score, you're looking at anywhere between like a 2 to 10 point drop. I've seen even more than that. So I've seen like some 12 and 15 point drops, 27 points drops. Even the most I've seen was 27 points, a 27 point drop because of these hard inquiries. All right, and so that's what the hard inquiries are. The hard inquiries, again, when you're looking to lend money from, or excuse me, when you're looking to borrow money from a particular company, they're running your credit, and that counts as a hard inquiry. When you go into Sprint, when you go into Verizon, when you go into AT&T, when you go wherever it is that you go, when they run your credit, that counts as a hard inquiry, and it doesn't look good. And those things stay on your credit for a total of 24 months. That's 2 years. But don't worry, you can get those hard inquiries off legally. You can get those hard inquiries off, because I'm sure that when you went in and you asked, or you allowed that particular company to run your credit, you did not authorize them to run their credit with 25 different lenders. I'm sure you did not do that. So legally, you can dispute those hard inquiries. And so if you're wondering on exactly how to dispute those hard inquiries, if you're wondering exactly what it is that you need to do, listen, I do have a do-it-yourself credit sweeps kit. It comes along with the instructional video. Also, it comes along with my mentoring. So if you have any questions, I'm there 24. Not necessarily there 24/7, but you can message me through the Facebook page, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. And you know, if it's something that can help the community that's not too revealing, you know, I'll make the answer public, you know, if you will. But listen, get those hard inquiries off. If you're looking to increase your FICO score, get those hard inquiries off, and you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised at how much your credit score, your FICO score jumps up. And so again, if you are looking, you don't know how to do it, this sounds good to you, and you don't know how to do it, just head over to the Facebook page, facebook.com/do-it-yourself credit sweeps, and or /DIY credit sweeps, and go ahead and get that kit with the instructional videos. Also, you'll have access to me. Excuse me, I'm sorry about that, but you'll have access to me. And so if you're looking to, again, get those negative things off of your credit, get your FICO score up, and if you're wanting to do it yourself and get it done expeditiously, go ahead and sign up and get the kit. But as I always say, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy credit sweeping. Still here.